How to change language in Microsoft Word application using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are learning how you can easily change the language setting on your Microsoft Word application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open the Word application from your smartphone and log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the language option, but if you don't find it there, then simply go open up the Devices Setting option. Once you're inside your Devices Setting option, go scroll down and tap on General. Under General, click on Language and Region. Now, go ahead and add the language you want to change to for your device. Tap on Add Language and select a different language you want to change to. In the pop-up, select one of your options and set the language as your primary language. Soon after you do that, your language will be changed on your smartphone. After it is done, get back to the Microsoft Word app, and you can also restart the application first, and the menu and interface will now appear in the new language. So basically, all you need is to just change the language setting for your device and you'll be able to do the same in the Microsoft Word app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.